All right, hello guys. I know this is something new that I'm trying out. So today you are going to learn from me virtually. So today's lesson is the triangle sum theorem. So basically this is one of the theorems that we learn in geometry. What this theorem tells you is that all three angles in a triangle add to give you 180. So that being said, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 gives you 180 degrees. There are 180 degrees in a triangle. Adding up all the angles together should give you 180 degrees. If it does not, then it is not a triangle. All right, so we're going to do some practice problems. Give me a sec. Okay, now, so the first problem, sorry guys, gotta adjust this. Okay, so the first problem asks you to find the value of x. Now, as you can see here, we have one angle that's 58 degrees, one angle that's 47 degrees, and the other angle we don't know what it is. So in order to figure this out, I'm going to have to add them all up and equal them to 180 degrees. So I'm going to do 58 plus 47 plus x equals 180. Okay? Now I'm going to add the 58 and the 47. I want to make sure you guys can see that. Perfect. Taking out my calculator here. 58 plus 47, that should give you 105. So now I have 105 plus x equals 180. Okay, I'm going to subtract the 105 to give me x equals 75. Okay, so I know this point right here is 75, or excuse me, this angle. That being said, let's check it. Let's make sure that's true. Okay, I'm going to actually just check it right up there. So does 75 plus 58 plus 47 give me 180? Let's see. 75 plus 58 plus 47 gives me 180. There we go. So we know that x has to be 75. I'll move out of the way so you guys can see that a little better. All right, next, let's go through another one. I actually want to move over to the third example. So you'll notice there's 1, 2, example number 3. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. So it can be seen. Okay. I'll erase this. So now you can see that they're giving us x's and variables. So let's figure this out. They're giving us here a right angle, okay? So I know if it's a right angle, this is immediately going to be 90 degrees. Why? Because it is a right angle, 90 degrees. A right angle is 90 degrees. Okay, this is 3x minus 1, so that represents this angle. And this angle is 31 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them all together. So I'm going to do 3x minus 1 plus 90 plus 31 gives me 180. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm going to grab my calculator here. So I'm going to combine -1 plus 90 plus 31. That should give me 120. So now I'm left with 3x plus 120 equals 180. I'm going to subtract the 120. Now I'm left with 3x equals Now I'm gonna just do this here, 60. I'm gonna divide the 3. So now I have x equals 20. All right. Now I'm going to check and make sure that this 20 represents what x is. So I'm going to plug the 20 into here. So 3 times 20 is 60, minus 1 is 59. So what I did is I did 3 times 20 minus 1. When I do that, that gives me 60 minus 1 to give me 59. So now I know that this angle is 59 degrees, this one is 90, and this one is 31. Now let's check and make sure that these 3 angles add to 180. 90 plus 59 plus 31 equals 180. Okay, 90 plus 59 plus 31 equals 180. There we go. So now I know my x is 20. There we go. So you'll try example number 2 by yourselves.